Circle, Danny. Be first. Be first, Danny. Circle. Get your grips. Don't rush it. Get your grips. Go. That's it. Hands grab the lapel. Lapel. Two. That's it. Posture up. Posture up. Danny, knees down. Posture up. Posture up, Danny. Posture up. You gotta lift your head to posture up. Watch that leg. Watch that leg. Get up. Get up, Danny. Get up. Lock it down, Danny. Lock it down, Danny. Other way. Other way. Let the leg. Good. Turn, Danny. Go. You got it. Turn. Turn to your right, Danny. Turn to your left, Danny. Turn to your left. Keep the underhook. Danny, keep the leg underhook. Underhook the leg. Come on, Danny. Come on. Hip escape, Danny. Danny, elbows in. Hip escape. Arms in tight. Get up, roll. Get up, Danny. Get to your knees. Get to your knees. Get to your knees and pull your arm in. Pull your arm out. Stack. Stack up. Danny, come the other way. Danny, come the other way. Settle down, Danny. Settle down. Danny. Danny, grab her knees. Forget her upper body. Two hands on her knees. Danny, grab her knees for your hand. Danny. Danny, pay attention. Danny, free that hand. Grab the knees. Two hands on the knees. And Danny, posture up. Put your knees down, posture up. I can't. Both hands on the knees and posture up. Drop your knees, drop to your knees. Get up. Stands up too late. Come on. Nice, Danny. Cross collar choke. Cross collar choke. Go, keep getting it. Danny, stand up. Stand up, Danny. Stand up. Come on, Danny. Come on, Danny. Keep going. Hip escape, Danny. Danny, arms in tight. Arms on her knees. Danny, push her knees. Don't extend your arms, Danny. Push her knees. Danny, get your elbow in. Get your arm in. Get your arm in. Roll this way with her right now. Bridge. Go, go. Get up. Get up. Danny, two hands on her knees. Two hands on her knees. Knees. Posture up. Settle down. Get your knees down. Put your knees on the ground. Both knees on the ground. Put your hands on her knees now and slide back. Both hands on her knees. You're fine. Danny, you need a pass. Let's go. Open that guard, Danny. Open that guard. There you go. Slide back. Keep your knees down. Slide back, Danny. Slide back, Danny. Push the knee down. Keep sliding, Danny. Danny, take your left arm, swim inside. Beautiful. Keep going, Danny. Push the knee down. Again. Again. Slide back, Danny. Good. Other side. You guys switch other. Don't slam her. Danny, don't pick her up. Push, push. Now. Watch the triangle. Watch the triangle, Danny. Come on, Danny. You got to open that guard. Where's the stall? Let's go. Danny, open that guard now. Come on, Danny. You got a minute left. Danny, you got to get out of there. Underhook the arm. Danny, push that off your head. Stall. Come on. Stack her, Dan. Nice, Danny. Danny, both hands on the knees. Both hands on the knees. Come on, Danny. Come on, Danny. Danny, get him. Danny, stay. Free that arm. Sit back. Keep your knees down. Stack, Dan. Stack. Keep stacking them. Get your hips in tight now. You got a minute. You got to open these, Danny. You got to get out of there. Go, Danny. Press down. Press down. Try to open it. Stand up. Drive your hips in. Hips in. A steamer choke right there. Come on, Dan. Open the legs now. Open the legs. Danny, watch that leg. Watch that leg again. Come on, on, Danny, turn into her. Don't quit. Arm bar. Go for the arm bar. Get the arm. You got it, Danny. Grab it, Danny. You got it. Get the leg back over her arm. Danny, get on top. Sweet. Underhook and get on top. Get on top, Danny. Get on top. Come on, Danny. Come on.
It's on here.
Lock it down, Danny. Stretch it out and go. You got 5 seconds. You gotta lift the right up. Use the leg. Lift the leg to the ceiling. Lift the leg to the ceiling. No. Scott.